Hi everyone, it's Gaurav from the other affiliate here, and today I will be reviewing this product called Instant Social Success. And this product is going to be launched today on 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so keep that in mind. So let's start with the review. So before telling you about this product, I will tell you what this product does. Okay, so actually there are lot of previous products that have launched in the past, but this product has something new in it. And the best part is this product is completely approved by Facebook itself. So what this product does is, as it says, that this new software will 100% automate your Facebook marketing, gets you insane engagement, and help you grow real targeted fans to any fan page in under 2 minutes. Everyone loves organic traffic. Why? Because the number one benefit of organic traffic is it's completely free. Okay, everyone knows that organic traffic is completely free, but the number one problem about organic traffic, especially on Facebook, is Facebook has drastically limited their organic reach, and it's comparatively very hard to grow on Facebook organically. But there is a loophole that these guys have found and made a product on using that loophole and generate massive traffic from Facebook without using any paid ads and without paying any money. So he is Dan Green, the creator of this product. So here is some of the example that it's very expensive to spend money on Facebook ads to generate page likes, engagement on your Facebook page. So let's come on the topic that what this product is all about. So actually Instant Social Success is a tool. It is a cloud based software, and it helps you to create engagement and helps you to generate massive traffic from Facebook and other social media platforms for free organically. So how all this works? It's a 3-step process. You will be given an access to a members area where you can log into your Facebook account and you can link your Facebook pages. So first, link your Facebook pages. Now search the topic on which your page is built on. What is your niche or niche? What is your niche? For example, here they have shown that they have searched about Star Wars. Okay, so what this software does is it search all the Facebook pages and all posts that are related to what you have searched on that search bar. Okay, and it will found the top most trending posts that are trending right now. And the third and the most effective and the most useful feature of this software is you have 3 options. You can schedule your post, you can post now, and you can add to scheduler so that it will schedule automatically, and everything happens on autopilot. Okay, so it's just a 3-step process. Add your Facebook pages, search the topic on which you want traffic and you want your page to grow, and the third is just post it. And this is a loophole, and what the loophole does is it find trending post, and when you post that trending post same on your page, there is a very high chance that your post will go viral on Facebook. And once post will go viral on Facebook, you will get a lot of massive engagement and lot of organic reach. So this is what this product is all about in short. But I have combined some amazing bonuses for you. You can check the first link in the description to check out these bonuses. Let me show you what are the bonuses that I have included you. If you are not familiar with Facebook ads and you don't know how to run Facebook ads, there is a bonus that I have included. If you go through my link, you will get a Facebook ad mastery course. Okay, you will also be learning that how to use that free traffic to generate an email list and use that email list later on to sell products. The next is, nowadays Facebook ads and Google ads is quite expensive, but because very few people use Bing, so comparatively Bing ads is quite cheaper than Facebook and Google ads. And I have also included a tutorial on Bing ads and how you can use Bing ad and generate a massive profit from using Bing ads. Okay, the next bonus is I have combined some exclusive 6 untapped traffic sources that are completely free and that you can use to generate sales and traffic on your website. The next is media buying success and how you can use Google display ads and display ads on several platforms. That is what this bonus is all about. And the last bonus that I am giving you is some underground traffic sources that no one knows and no one use. Now you have the access to these bonuses and you can use these traffic sources to generate traffic for your website or to use this traffic to promote your products. So this is what my review is all about. You can check the bonus page in the description box below, and you can also check the sales page. I have linked both the pages in the description box below. But here are some of the proofs that these guys has used this software and generate a massive following. So what they have done is, first they created a Facebook page called Star Wars Theory, and within just 2 weeks this page reached around 300 page likes. And this is the amount of engagement they are receiving, and this people are commenting on their pages, and this is the number of likes they have reached in just a period of 2 weeks. And all this is completely organic. They don't use any Facebook ads, just this software, and scheduled everything, and everything is running on autopilot. Keep in mind that this product is launching on 14th of Feb, that is today, at around 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. And all these bonuses that I have shown you is exclusive to me, and you will not find these bonuses anywhere else. And if you wanna know more about the product, you can go on my bonus page and watch the complete demo walkthrough video by Dan, who is the creator of this product. And if you need any help regarding anything, please feel free to comment down below. If you have any questions still in your mind related to this product, feel free to comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. So that is from my side. I will see you in my next review video. If you like my review video, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me in a long run. And thank you very much for watching this review video.